is this?
What do you mean?
That 11 costume, dude.
Hey, look, I did the best I could.
It's the wrong hair and the wrong jacket. You promised. Friends don't lie.
Hey, look, I didn't lie. I said I was gonna put a somewhat 11 costume together and... Let's just put the wig back on. Okay, look, just do me the favor. Get your mad. It's fine. You just need to break this ornament. There's something in there. I don't know what it is. It's really gotten on my nerves. Can you just please help?
Bomb.
What?
Bomb.
Okay, so that was our ride.